Alright, here we go. Okay, I'm gonna be Mr. Yucky Orange Guy. Wait, I'm bald. I want the ponytail.
Okay, fine. Switch.
Nah, I'm too lazy. Ready? Ow!
Oh, it's art.
You're really mad.
Oh, Mom cut them.
Failure.
No!
Bomb mine!
Oh! Hey!
Wait, makes me super sad. Last time I got the gold. What did you just do?
Oh my god.
John to my I can't get in. You're not letting me go. Come on. How did that happen?
What?
It keeps happening to me where I get stuck in the thing. Come on. I killed you. Yeah. Ready? Winner. Pow! Oh, I'm such a winner. Ouch. That hurt my knee. Where's the oh, I'm stuck. I'm stuck. Go, you're sitting on my lap. How'd that kill me? You like stuck your shoe in my mouth. No, no. What? Did I just help you? I'm so confused. Wait, am I helping you? Oh, no, no, no. Okay,
That time I got it in.
No, it was done. Ow!
You know, look at me. Master Sensei wins.
Not that you hurt me. You killed me.
Yeah, and I became the Master Sensei.
No, but that's my job. I'm standing on your pole.
And I'm standing on yours.
No, you were just in the air, like bouncing. Mine! That time you were on it. Oh, winner. Oh, winner. This way. Go this way. I'm cheating. Cheaters are winners. Ow. 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 Let me through. Let me. Oh, cheaters are winners. You're mine. Cheaters are winners. Yeah. Where are you? Okay. Now let's see who can get to 5 first, okay? Or no, 3. 3. Cause I'm winning. No, cheaters are winners. Yeah. Who gets to 3 first? What? Where did? No. I slingshotted you. Oh, I win. Yep, I win. I win. Okay. That was a good game. Good game.